If you thought the M3 MacBook Pro was the pinnacle of Apple's laptop evolution, think again. The upcoming MacBook Pro M5 is shaping up to be Apple's most advanced and efficient laptop yet, a true leap in performance, design, and intelligence. From a supercharged chip to breakthrough AI integration, the M5 generation might just redefine what we expect from a professional laptop. Stay tuned, because what Apple has in store could change the way we create, edit, and compute. Welcome to Tech Vibe, the channel where innovation meets insight. If you're a fan of cutting-edge tech, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because what's coming next will blow your mind. Apple's next-generation MacBook Pro, powered by the M5 chip, is expected to launch in mid to late 2025. While Apple hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, reliable industry leaks and production timelines point toward an October 2025 unveiling, aligning with Apple's usual MacBook launch window. The M5 will likely come in both 14-inch and 16-inch variants, continuing Apple's strategy of offering a balance between portability and powerhouse performance. Now, what's truly fascinating this time around is how Apple has reportedly re-engineered the M5 chip using an advanced 3-nanometer process. This new architecture could push efficiency and speed to levels we've never seen before in a MacBook. Early benchmarks suggest up to a 25% performance boost over the M3 Pro, with power consumption reduced by nearly 20%. That means faster rendering, smoother multitasking, and even longer battery life, all while keeping the system cooler and quieter. But that's not all. The M5 chip is expected to feature next-gen neural engines specifically optimized for on-device AI tasks. Imagine real-time video editing assisted by AI, voice commands that feel truly natural, and productivity tools that anticipate your next move. Apple's growing emphasis on AI integration means macOS will likely introduce new features exclusive to the M5 series, from advanced photo enhancements to AI-driven coding assistance for developers. Let's talk design, because while Apple rarely makes radical design changes, the MacBook Pro M5 could refine the formula in subtle but impactful ways. Expect even slimmer bezels around the display, improved ventilation, and a lighter chassis thanks to the use of advanced materials. There's talk of Apple experimenting with a new recycled aluminum alloy that's not only eco-friendly but also stronger and more durable. The color palette could expand beyond space gray and silver, possibly introducing a sleek Titan black finish for professionals who prefer a stealthy look. Now, about that display. The M5 MacBook Pro will likely retain the stunning Liquid Retina XDR panel with mini LED technology, but with an even higher peak brightness and improved HDR handling. Some reports suggest it could reach up to 2000 nits in peak HDR mode, making it a dream machine for content creators, video editors, and photographers. Apple is also expected to enhance promotion for smoother scrolling and animation transitions, while possibly introducing adaptive refresh rate optimizations for better battery performance. And speaking of performance, the MacBook Pro M5 is shaping up to be a monster. With higher CPU and GPU core counts, faster memory bandwidth, and improved thermal design, this machine could handle 8K video editing, 3D modeling, and high-end music production with ease. Apple Silicon continues to dominate the industry in performance per watt efficiency, and the M5 looks to cement that lead even further. One major upgrade worth noting is the possible support for up to 48 GB of unified memory on the standard M5 configuration and up to 128 GB on the M5 Max. For professionals, that's a huge leap, especially for workflows involving AI, large datasets, or complex render pipelines. In terms of software, macOS will be heavily optimized to take advantage of the M5's new capabilities. Expect deeper AI integration within creative apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Xcode, with real-time object tracking, scene enhancement, and smart rendering powered by the neural engine. There's also talk of improved cloud collaboration through Apple's ecosystem, making it easier than ever for teams to work together seamlessly across devices. Battery life has always been one of the MacBook Pro's strongest points, and the M5 is expected to push it even further. Thanks to the energy-effic iOS 3nm chip and smarter power management, users could see up to 24 hours of continuous use, making it an ideal machine for creators, travelers, and professionals on the move. Charging speeds may also improve slightly, with faster USB-C PD compatibility and potentially a next-generation MagSafe connector that supports higher wattage for rapid top-ups. Now, let's address something fans have been asking for: better gaming performance. While Apple laptops have never been gaming-focused, the M5 might finally bridge that gap. With Metal 4 API improvements and a beefed-up GPU, gaming performance could see a 30% to 40% jump compared to the M3 generation. Combine that with Apple's rumored Game Mode 2.0, which optimizes power delivery and cooling for extended gaming sessions, and you've got a MacBook that could finally appeal to both creatives and gamers. Audio and speakers will likely receive subtle yet meaningful upgrades. Apple's spatial audio system could be enhanced with improved bass response and clearer mids, providing an even more immersive soundstage for music production, content consumption, or casual listening. The studio-quality mics will probably get noise cancellation enhancements for crystal-clear voice recording and video calls. Connectivity is another area Apple is improving. Expect the M5 MacBook Pro to include upgraded Thunderbolt 5 ports with higher bandwidth, faster external display support, and even lower latency for accessories. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6E are also highly likely, ensuring blazing fast wireless connections and smoother pairing with Apple's growing ecosystem of devices. So, what about pricing? The M5 MacBook Pro will likely start around the same price point as the current generation, roughly $1,999 for the 14-inch base model and $2,499 for the 16-inch variant, though higher configurations could easily climb beyond $4,000 for the top-tier M5 Max models. Apple seems focused on keeping pricing consistent while delivering more performance, which is great news for professionals who rely on these machines for their livelihood. Of course, no device is perfect. While the M5 MacBook Pro is shaping up to be Apple's most advanced laptop yet, potential drawbacks might include limited upgradability, as always, and a premium price tag that keeps it out of reach for casual users. Some may also wish for more color variety or a touchscreen option, which Apple still seems hesitant to implement. But when you look at the total package via power, design, efficiency, and ecosystem integration, it's clear that the M5 MacBook Pro will stand as one of the most complete professional laptops ever made. Apple's commitment to refining rather than reinventing pays off here, delivering a device that feels both familiar and futuristic at the same time. If you're a creative, a professional, or someone who just wants the absolute best laptop experience, the MacBook Pro M5 might be worth waiting for. With next-level performance, smarter AI integration, and all-day battery life, this could be the machine that defines 2025 for Apple. You've been watching Tech Vibe, where technology meets passion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the world of innovation. Because the next wave of tech is already here, and we're here to explore it with you.